This is a demo of the Basys FoldJet 2000 in a very special application, a folding application for very narrow, heavy paper, where we can show that this system is adaptable for this special material. We have mounted a Teflon foil, self-adhesive, to lower the friction of the coil of the paper, and also a magnetic slide to guide the material safely through the machine. The process can be interrupted and recovered at any time in between, like now. If the user wants to change something, that's very easily possible. Also, the folding length of the material, the result of the work, can be adjusted in 1 mm steps. We now have restarted the process, runs very safely. The output of the machine can have any dimension. In this application, it would be suitable to have an early stop of the folding material, so the stack of paper remains in one stack. We now already come to an end of the process. The machine has very reliably folded the material, which can now be stacked away in a folder or further processed. So to recapture here, we show the components. It's a standard FoldJet 2000. It's a Teflon self-adhesive tape in the right width for the product that needs to be folded, and it's a magnetic guide made from metal, which brings us the reliable solution. And at the end, we see the whole stack very nicely folded by our machine. Okay, thank you.